Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to stop Viber from automatically downloading media on your phone. This is very useful if you want to save data, avoid cluttering your gallery, or manage your storage more efficiently. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. In the Settings section, locate the Media option and tap on it. Here, you will see options related to media handling. You will find toggles for auto-download media when connected to Wi-Fi and auto-download media over mobile network. Turn off both options to prevent Viber from automatically downloading pictures, videos, and other media files. Finally, once you have disabled these options, Viber will no longer download media automatically, giving you full control over what files get saved to your device. You can still manually download any media that you want to keep,